Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni. You are watching CRD News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. No PTI lawmaker given uplift funds. PM Khan tells SC. The Finance Secretary submitted a report duly signed by Prime Minister Imran Khan in the Supreme Court in the case pertaining the reported issuance of 500 million rupees uplift grant to each Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf lawmaker. Sindh Cabinet green lights recruitment of 37,000 new teachers. Sindh Education Minister Saeed Ghani announced the provincial cabinet in today's meeting approved a policy for recruitment of as many as 37,000 new teachers. 3 coal miners killed and 3 missing in Thatta. 3 miners were dead and 3 went missing after a coal mine collapsed in Thatta district of Sindh. Rajab moon sighting meeting to be held on Friday evening. A meeting of Ru'yat-e Hilal on Friday evening 12th February to decide about the sighting of the crescent of Rajab. Court warns objectionable videos blocked on TikTok. The Peshawar High Court ordered for mayors to block objectionable content on popular short video sharing app TikTok. Lahore Zoo animals tested for COVID after white tiger cubs dead. All animals at Lahore Zoo have been tested for COVID-19 after 2 white tiger cubs' death last week. Kid sent flying after he drops live firecracker inside a manhole. There have been several reports of incidents involving children dropping live firecrackers down the manhole, causing a fatal explosion in China. White tiger spotted on Maryland highway turns out to be life-like figurine. Police in Maryland, while responding to a call from a driver about a white tiger sitting on the highway wall, arrived to find the reported big cat was a life-sized tiger figurine. Man commits suicide in Quetta. A man committed suicide at Madrasa Road near Nawan Kile area of Quetta. Alim Dar beats Waqar Yunus in Who Would Hit Target First challenge. Pakistan's renowned international umpire Alim Dar and men's team bowling coach Waqar Yunus took part in an one-field competition. Who would hit the target first? This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. And also follow us on Facebook. Take care and keep watching CRD News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.